Even as the opposition continues to stall the insurance bill in the parliament, Times Now gets you the inside track. Top Congress leader, on condition of anonymity, has admitted that the party wants to stall the bill till Modi's visit to US, which is slated for the next month.
Well, this bill is not ours actually. It was actually introduced during the UPA rule. And many opposition parties want very serious amendments. I think the government should give a good look at that. And I don't know whether it's necessary at this stage of our country, when we have a labor surplus economy, a lot of educated people, to have a foreign direct investment, because there is no special technology that can be brought in from abroad by FDI. And so I would rather ask the government to take a hard second look.
The Congress has taken a position on the insurance bill. Mr. Kharge, you're still insisting that it should go to a select committee?
No, that is, first we'll see what Rajya Sabha members are going to do it. After that, our turn will come. Naturally, we consult Rajya Sabha members also, and we'll take a decision.
So that's the latest. In fact, Nandita is also joining us on this story. Nandita, you know, Congress was the party that actually brought this reform to the forefront, but now they seem to be playing politics here, trying to stall the bill.
That's right. During UPA's tenure, and not just UPA 2, but in fact UPA 1 during 2007-8 is when this bill was revived, and it was brought by the then government. And in fact, we've seen a statement by the former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram welcoming the government's move to bring this forward, and also saying that we had tried to speak so many times to Mr. Arun Jaitley, who was then the leader of opposition of Rajya Sabha, and also Sushma Swaraj, but at that time the BJP did not cooperate with us. Nonetheless, he welcomes this bill. Now, of course, the Congress trying to stall this and saying that it should go to the select committee. It's not just the role of a typical opposition party that the Congress is playing, but top sources have actually told us that the reason behind this is much more, which is that the Congress does not want this bill to go through before September, which is the time when the Prime Minister is expected to make his first visit to the United States, and they feel that if the government has passed this bill in both houses of parliament before that, it will be a big diplomatic win or a big achievement that Mr. Modi would have on his record when he meets American leaders. And that's something that the opposition is trying to stall, dent and sabotage. That's what top Congress leaders have told us. Of course, they've told us on the condition of anonymity, but the strategy of the opposition is quite clear. Let's not pass this bill. Let's stall it till at least September, till after Mr. Modi's United States trip is over.
All right, that's Times Now getting you exclusive inside strategy of the opposition on stalling the insurance bill. Nandita, stay with us. I'm going to come back to you, but before that, let's also play out some more reactions, political reactions that we've got on the story.
बीमा संबंधी जो बिल है, पहले कांग्रेस सरकार के समय जो बिल आया था, वही बिल है. इसके बारे में प्रमुख दलों की चर्चा हुई है और चर्चा जारी रहेगी.
FDI insurance, Trinamool has had the same stance from 2004. Ours is the most principled stand. Now I am told other parties in Rajya Sabha like Congress, BSP, SP, JDU, RJD, even the left have the numbers in Rajya Sabha. So as of now, the bill may go to a select committee, but Trinamool Congress now in monsoon session, even in winter session, our stand will be the same. We are opposed to FDI in insurance.
I'll ask you one question. Is it fair to say that the insurance bill has been caught in a political crossfire of sorts?
Not at all. There's substantive change has been made. There are 11 new amendments. I'll say some of them are procedural, but the substantive one needs to be looked into. And the government should not run away. It's not a question of any partisan politics. It's a democratic process, and the committees do allow the rules that the committee should look into that. So if their own standing committee has raised certain issues, if substantive changes have been made, and if there is a collective view being taken by the opposition parties the government should not make it an issue.
Okay, sir. A lot is being said about how this is being blocked by the Congress before Modi's visit to the US in September.
No, I do not know. This means that the government is not serious about its policies. They are also just marketing this insurance matter, which is very sensitive sector. When we talk of the insurance cover for the poor people, whether this would enhance it or not, what is the nature of investment which will come in. They are changing the definition of the FD.